Yeah, thanks for checking in. Yeah, Ron here at AbleSys. It was a great day for intraday trading today. I had some really nice moves, and then a bunch of no trade zones, which kept us out of some severe choppiness, which would have been bad to be trading during that time. So that worked out nice. Of course, there's always going to be some losing trades. I can guarantee you that. But even on the low, which is why it's so popular. But boy, we had just a fantastic move. I mean, a tremendous amount of money just using the indicator and the triple sell signal. I'll blow up the E-mini S&P. I mean, very clear and obvious triple sell signal. Oscillator agrees. You've got a 1 minute sell, the red dot. You got a 2 minute sell, the red cross. You got a 3 minute sell, the red arrow. You got a red bar. That's just textbook case right there. It's just, we always trade two contracts because when the market is choppy, we most of the time we hit that 2-point goal on the first contract. And then the second one, you never ever get out on a red bar. You wait for 2 green in a row. You still don't get out. You just tighten up your stop 1 point above where I circle here. The higher of the 2 green bars, never hit it, kept going down, make even more money. There's double green again, 2 green in a row. And then an eventual stop out there, and that was a 50-point winning trade. Plus the 2 points, that you get on the first contract. That's $2,500. That pays for like a 1-year license in 30 minutes. And I hope everybody had that one because it's not going to get any clearer and more obvious than that. Everything was red. It was just perfect. A couple of minutes, to 8 minutes after the market opened, which is a great time to trade. It's as good as it gets. And you don't want to miss those because you don't get many of those. Another no trade zone here. And then you got a triple sell right here. However, I just don't like how far it is from the dot. It's like the close of that 1 minute bar to the dot. It's like 16, 17 points away. Yes, again, winning signal from the software. If you don't mind the extra risk, I mean, you made another $1,000 there. But I keep things very conservative and very realistic. I don't exaggerate, and if anything, I do the opposite. Again, if you don't mind the risk, it's 18 points away. You got another winner, but I don't count those because I do everything in a very conservative nature. If you don't mind the extra risk, you hit another home run. But again, you want to stretch that 10-point, which is the norm, because it was a very volatile high. The VIX was very high, so yeah, okay, fine. You want to take on a little more risk? Well, you're going to make a lot of money then, because these signals are they're unbelievable. Okay, you got a trade here. There's about 15 points from the dot. It's a stretch. I'd be more comfortable 11, 12 points away. But again, that's up to you. Everybody's different. If you don't mind the extra risk, you picked up the 2 points off the one contract in 10 seconds because it immediately went higher, as AbleTrend said it would. Now you got double green, even a triple green, so your stop goes 1 point below, right about there. Well, it clearly never hit it. There's double green again, 2 in a row, never hit it. 2 in a row, and then a stop out. So if you didn't mind the extra risk, the software clearly put a lot of money in everybody's pocket today. Picked up 2 points right away. And then on the second contract, you picked up 12 points. So 2 plus 12 is 14. You picked up another $700 profit. And then you got a triple sell right here. Any one of these red bars, really. You pick up another couple of hundred there. There's your sweet spot because of the 1 minute, 2 minute, and 3 minute. And the red oscillator. Make a little bit more money there, and that's the end of the day. Thanks for being here, and all the webinars are all recorded at the homepage of wintick.com. You can watch it any time of the day or night you want. The 2 I did this week, the 2 last week, the week before that, go back as far as you like. But just watch the last couple, the most recent ones. And then we'll do it again on Tuesday, same time. Have a good one, everyone.